I mixed eggs with lemon and I was surprised with the result. This recipe is amazing. We'll start with 4 eggs and 3 lemons, guys. Here it's already cut, okay? Add a cup of milk, half a cup of oil, and let's beat everything very well in the blender. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's sift it very well. Done that, we are going to add 2.5 cups of sugar. And now 2.5 cups of flour. I sifted it, okay? Just mix it very gently. Now that you can see that it's very beautiful, we are going to add a tablespoon of baking powder, okay? It's all homogeneous. Then let's put it in a greased form with oil or butter. Here I'm using oil, okay? And I'm using a rounded form, but you can use the one you have in your house. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour in it. And then just pour all of the batter we have just prepared in the form. Let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. But keep an eye on it because it will depend on your oven, alright? Use the sticker to make the test. If you put it inside of the cake and it gets out clean, that means it's done. For the topping, we're going to use condensed milk and 1 squished lemon. Just mix everything until it's all homogeneous. After the cake is out of the oven, wait for it to be a little bit cold and then put all of this topping. It is totally optional, guys, but I recommend you to do it because it's gonna be even more delicious. And to let it even more beautiful, I put some lemon on top of it. And guys, it is already done. Seriously, a lemon cake, very delicious, tasty, and super easy to make. And if you already knew this recipe, tell me down here. And you who had never heard about this recipe, send for your friend so you can make it together and try it. Just look how beautiful and fluffy it is, guys. I'm gonna show you very closely so you can understand what I'm talking about. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Knowing your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video until here and see you guys on the next recipe. Bye bye.